Okay, I'm recording us shopping.
Okay, what should we buy, Sarah?
Say that again, Clara.
What should we buy, Sarah?
You should
What kind
buy
of purse? This one.
this one right here
Yeah.
because it's just so damn cool. Aw,
I
yeah.
think I'd buy that and wear it around. Okay. This is like a sweater bag.
That's cool. So you can't do that. You're taking pictures and we're going to.
That.
I just can't get other people on it.
I like it.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Rochelle likes it.
Rochelle usually oh.
You don't like it?
Frequency.
It won't close.
Fun.
It won't close.
Probably because it wasn't meant to be open.
Ever. Leave it.
I really want it.
Let's go on the other side. Okay. How about this one? I actually like that one.
I like it.
How do you,
So
oh,
it's
this is
kinda
how you
small.
open it, yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Whoa, how much is that? $16.
Sorry, you're not allowed to take pictures on that from Dad.
I'm too bad.
Gonna
You're
get
not
us
allowed
kicked
to
out
take
again.
pictures of merchandise. No, they'll just tell me don't record in here.
I can picture myself carrying this purse out. It's not so much. It's not even funny. You see Michelle?
Really?
Yeah, you see Michelle.
I know. And it says like XOX.
And feel how hard it is.
Ow!
For being a purse wheel.
Please don't hit me with that.
Well, for being hard, you hit it off your leg a few times.
And look. Oh, it's a little baby
I
one.
think that has a lot of stuff in it, but it's very soft.
You're not allowed to do that, That's illegal.
I told her to stop. Like, how many times?
I'm not saying pieces of right there. That's illegal. And they'll take it away.
That's illegal.
The garbage.
They'll throw it in the garbage. It's illegal. In front of your face. You can't tape stuff in stores. It's illegal.
Why?
People around because they